for them to market it, to manufacture it, to scale it, even sales, and just to spread the word around it, like what are the key challenges for Indian inventors?
A lot. There are a lot of challenges for someone who wants to do innovation at grassroots level and then take it to mass production and eventual scalability and visibility. The first one starts with the moment you have an idea. So ideas are dime a dozen. But the moment you have an idea, the first question that comes is whether invest your time, energy, effort, money in building that, or just discard it as okay, ये तो आते रहते हैं, किसी और ने कर लिया होगा या कोई और कर लेगा. So that's something that you need to be cognizant about, whether you have that passion, that burning desire कि मेरे को ये जो idea है इसको आगे लेके जाना है. So that's how it starts. If you recognize and know that I want to work on this idea, build it up, scale it up, that's where the real hustle starts. Wherein you can think about an idea, but that bringing that idea from ideation to conceptualization to say a MVP, which is a minimum viable product, to mass production, to eventual sales and then servicing. I'm talking about products here. It's a long 2 to 3 year journey minimum if you want to do it right. And that's where a lot of people, a lot of inventors, they lose focus or they just they just get tired in the journey. And I've seen a lot of good people with good product ideas getting tired just too quickly.